Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Khao Moo Dang or Thai barbecue pork with rice and the gravy sauce on top. Okay, I already have the Thai barbecue pork or tra chui pork. It's cooking from the last episode. Also, I cooking the Thai gravy sauce or Thai barbecue sauce. Gonna go over on top the Khao Moo Dang. So, if you want to make this, you have to please watch the last episode too, so you know how to make barbecue pork and the gravy sauce. Alright, for cooking Khao Moo Dang, you already have the barbecue pork, you already have the sauce. And then also it's very popular. We like to serving with the chicken stock or pork stock to just clear your palate, and it will make it taste better when you have a soup and the rice bowl together. So today I'm going to show you to make the easy just chicken bone broth chicken soup. Okay, I have 3 pieces of chicken bone that I cut and then I save them when I buy the chicken. So, okay, I'm gonna put 3 pieces in here. If you have pork bone, you can just use a pork bone. So I use 3 pieces of chicken bone, and then I have 8 cups of water. Alright, I'm going to bring the water to the boil, and then we go to the next step. Okay, and now everything come to boil, so I'm going to try to take off extra foam on the top, like I already do every time when you make a soup or you make a broth. Okay, just take off an extra foam. Okay, so you're going to have a nice clear broth, and now I'm going to start to put some seasoning. Okay, and now I'm going to start to seasoning them. So I will put 1 teaspoon salt. Next, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons the mushroom flavored soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. And for this soup, I will make something that's very easy. You can use whatever you have in your kitchen. It's up to you. It's not have to be exactly the same that I'm making today. I just use whatever I have. So next I'm going to use 2 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce also. Okay, and then it will be quick and easy too. 1 and 2. Okay, so this is a very simple and easy seasoning. And next I just going to add the veggies. I use carrot today, so I use 2 small carrots and cut into the bite size. And also I use the 2 tablespoons goji berry. It's dry goji berry. Okay, and I'm gonna put everything now. Okay, and I'm going to turn the heat to be low, and I'm gonna give them a cover and let the carrot and the goji berry cooking. It should be very quick. Okay, this is a quick and easy broth that go eat with our Khao Moo Dang. So I'm gonna put the cover on and put in the low heat, allow chicken and veggie to cook, and we come back and look for the next step. And now I have the barbecue pork and the gravy sauce from the last video, and also have the soup cooking. So we have to prep the next thing for Khao Moo Dang. So I'm just going to move this soup onto this stove with the low heat, and then I'm going to put the pan over here so I can show you to cook the sausage that's going to go with our Khao Moo Dang. I'm just going to show you the sausage that I'm going to use today. I have the Chinese sausage. They have 2 different kinds for me today, but they have so many brand. Whatever brand you can find and you want to use, is it up to you. Okay, but today I'm going to use the Champ brand. Okay, and today we're not going to use the oil to cooking the sausage. We're going to use just the water. This is how my mom told me. It is something new for me too, actually, and then I try it. It worked really good. So you just add about like a 1/4 cup of water into the pan, and then you just gonna put your Chinese sausage into cooking inside the water, and you're going to cook until all the water is gone. Okay, all right. I use this is a little bit, this bag a little bit sweeter than the other one, a little bit sweeter. So it's kind of more Thai style, a little bit Thai style. So that's why today I using this band. Okay, and then when the water start boil, it is very quick too. So you just have to turn around, make sure they all cooking. Okay, like this. Okay, and cook until the water start getting dry, and then you will see the oil gonna start coming out from the sausage. So cooking this way is not making, because the sausage is a little bit sweet. So sometimes if you try to fry them into the oil, sometimes they get burned very easy. So like now very popular in Thailand to cook the Chinese sausage in the water. Okay, so now the soup still cooking, the sausage still cooking, and to be sure you not forget to cook your hard-boiled egg. I already cooked mine. I cook mine in 8 minutes. If you like a more running yolk, you cook 7 minutes. If you want to know how to cook the hard-boiled egg, I have the video. I will put the link for you below. I have all the hard-boiled egg, how I cook, how you like. So I already cooked my hard-boiled egg, and then also don't forget to cook your rice. I already have my jasmine rice already cooking in the rice cooker. So okay, after about 3 minutes, now the water start getting reduced, as you can see, and then all the oil start coming out. So at this point you have to be really careful and keep your eye closed, because when all the water dry, you have to turn the heat low. As you can see, now the oil start coming out. Okay, and if you look like now, all the water already dry. So I turn on the heat to medium-low heat, and I'm going to cook the outside just a little bit, so the outside to have the crispy on the outside a little bit. And don't worry about the color. The color will change and will come red color like normal, like they should be. Okay, and now my sausage is done cooking. As you can see, the color, they are crispy a little bit on the outside, and they cook all the way through. Okay, now I'm gonna set our sausage on the side. So now we have barbecue pork, we have the gravy, we have egg, we have the soup cooking, we have rice cooking, and we have the sausage cooking. Okay, while the soup still cooking, now I'm going to come here and show you how to make another dipping sauce that go good with the Khao Moo Dang. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 1 tablespoon regular soy sauce. 1 tablespoon the regular soy sauce, and then I'm going to use the 2 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce. Okay, this sauce, it will go good with the Khao Moo Dang too. Sometimes we use the gravy sauce, and we use this sauce also because the Khao Moo Dang sauce have a little bit of sweet, so we need a little another sauce kind of like a sour, sweet, sour, and salty. I don't know how to explain, but they told me they all go good together. Next, 2 tablespoons the black soy sauce. Okay, 2 tablespoons. The black soy sauce is always a little bit thicker, so take me a time to pour them out for 2 tablespoons. Okay, and next gonna be 2 tablespoons the regular white vinegar. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. 1. Okay, 2. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon sugar. Okay. And now give them the mix, and then the one more thing I'm going to put inside this sauce is pickled jalapeno. This one is up to you. If you like more chili, more jalapeno, you can put more. Oh, I can. Okay. Look how we love it. This is a big jar, and we always use them for whenever we need them. We use them a lot. Okay. Sometimes I make my homemade version, but it's an easy version. Okay, I'm just going to put about three times here. The cameraman, he love it. Every bite of the every bite with everything you have to have a little bit pickle jalapeno too. So this is just a extra favorite sauce, very easy to make, and we're going to serve with our khao moo dang. Alright, everything almost done. Now we just have to go check on our soup, give them a taste, and we're done. Okay, and now the soup be cooking for a while. Now gonna come and check on the lid on and then the low heat, and now gonna give it a taste. Beautiful color. And the vegetable, I already say from the beginning, it's your choice. So I'm going to add the last vegetable. I'm going to add the green onion. Alright. And now we're ready to make the khao moo dang plate, and we're ready to serve everything together. We just have to put everything together in one plate. Okay, so I have the rice, jasmine rice cooking. So for the rice, just much that you like. You like more rice or little bit of rice, it's all up to you. Okay, but sometimes in Thailand they give you a lot of rice, a little bit of meat. So okay, so I think this one it will be good for the rice for me. And I just going to put the egg. For the egg, it's also up to you. This egg 7-minute cooking, and this egg 8-minute cooking. It's all up to you. Okay. Okay, and next I'm going to cut our barbecue pork. Okay. In Thailand, they cut kind of like a little bit thin if when you eat in the restaurant. Okay, but your homemade is so it's all up to you. Wow, it's raining right now. Raining right now in Arizona. Okay. And sometimes at khao moo dang in Thailand that you eat, they also have the crispy pork belly also. If you have time and you want to make the crispy pork belly too, it's all up to you. Okay, I think for this plate, I just going to put about this much barbecue pork. And you just put on top of your rice like this. And next I'm going to cut the Chinese sausage. As you can see the colors darker. See, same thing, the Chinese sausage we cut the thin too. Okay, and you can put much that you like, it's all up to you too. But if you eat in the restaurant, they might gonna give you just about 3 or 4 pieces, that's all. For one serving, for one plate. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this much and put next to the barbecue pork. Okay, and now I'm going to pour our gravy sauce on top. Just give them the good mix before serving. And then pour this sauce on top. Look at this. And for the sauce, you can put much that you like. You like it more saucy, you put more, or you just like a little bit the sauce, just put a little bit. But it's a lot, it tastes better. Okay, and now I'm just going to put the extra sauce that we made earlier for on the side. Look at this. And also you can serve with the some people like to have like a green onion too, but that's just up to you. Okay, I'm just gonna put the sauce over here and then put some cucumbers over here. The cucumber is clear your palate because you already know this did have like sweet and salty and sweet, so we always serve with the cucumber also, and plus the soup too. Okay, now soup in the bowl, soup vegetable up to you. Oh, look at how nice clear broth. Look at how this looking. Oh my goodness, that's all I'm gonna put some white pepper on top of my soup too. Perfect for the raining day. Perfect every day, but this is raining today, so even better. Okay, now we're ready to try it. Look at all this thing, how beautiful. My mouth is watering now and remind me in Thailand. Only thing I'm missing here is crispy pork belly. If you have a time, you can make pork belly and put over here too. It will be even better, but this is already next level for me. Okay, and now the time that we're waiting for is coming. I'm gonna taste our khao moo dang. Wow, I'm gonna have, I want a little bit of everything, so. Okay, so I have the pork. I want a little more sauce. And I have a pork and a sausage in here. Alright, so this is my first bite. Not really little bit of everything, but I just want to taste it right now, so. Soon the sauce it touched my tongue. Remind me so much of street food in Thailand, Khao Moo Dang. When I be a little kid, we usually always like this for breakfast. It's good for breakfast because have a little bit of meat, little bit of salt, some egg. Before I go to school, I always pick Khao Moo Dang. Cucumber and also a little bit of soup, don't forget. Okay, now everyone cannot wait to eat this Khao Moo Dang. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like the recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.
What are you cooking, baby?
This thing.
Yeah?
No.
Is it good?
No.
Wow, I can't wait to taste it.
Yes, I'm going to try the cassie, Daddy.
Yeah?
Sion and hamburger.
Good job, baby. What are you cooking? Eggs? Are you cooking eggs? What are you cooking? Oh, wow. That looks so good. How long do you have to cook it for? Yeah, talk to Daddy. Good job. Give me 5. Good job.